With the advent of AI making its way to Blender, the folks at Humble Bundle are releasing for the very first time the complete Claude AI for Blender bundle. And this is a 17-item bundle that will walk you through the steps of how to work with Claude inside of Blender. So if this is something that interests you, or possibly something that you have an eye for, then you might want to consider checking this one out, as this comes with courses that will guide you from how you get started with it, all the way to making your models, generating libraries of assets, digital sculpting basics and stuff that you need to know, low poly stylization, environment modeling, and so much more. And this even extends all the way to rigging and animation with Blender and Claude Code. And for those who are thinking about materials or even mastering lighting techniques, advanced rendering, materials, modeling, and even sculpting techniques, and you like to see how much Claude can work alongside Blender, then you might want to consider taking a look at this one. This entire bundle is sold for £1,142.81, but again, this is Humble Bundle, so you'll be getting everything for about 26, or you can pay a little bit more, about 31.72, to get all of these. And a portion of what you donate goes to charity, and the charity that this is currently supporting is Girls Who Code Charity. So for those who like to grab this one, then you can simply go through and check it out. We also mentioned previously that there is this bundle called Creature and Character Creation Bundle, and this bundle is running out pretty soon. So for those who like to get this is also a Blender-centric bundle that comes with add-ons, assets, and stuff that you can work with. Then you might want to see this one as well. One other bundle which is also here that has Blender in it has to do with the game development mega bundle, and this is for both Unreal Engine and Unity creators. So maybe you're thinking about shipping stuff from Blender to Unreal Engine, or possibly you're thinking about creating procedural stuff. Like in this case, we've got a course that actually teaches you procedural weapon generation. This is also here if you work with Godot, or possibly you're thinking about building iOS apps, or potentially you would like to see how Blender plugs into any of these in terms of procedural textures, procedural materials, and also geometry node stuff. Then this course is also right here on Humble Bundle. Some things that you might potentially miss, which might also be useful, has to do with tools like Freedom to Create, which is a CorelDRAW bundle, and this is for CorelDRAW Graphics Suite of 2025. And this ships with the entire CorelDRAW graphics suite itself and offers a permanent license. For those who have no idea, CorelDRAW is this amazing tool that you can use for graphic design, poster design, and a lot more. And CorelDRAW Suite comes with 4 amazing packages, which includes the CorelDRAW, the Font Manager, Capture, which is used for capturing various stuff within your screen, and also Corel Photo Paint, which is an amazing painting software that you can use. And this whole bundle is being offered alongside permanent perpetual license for £62.89. So for those who are thinking about a design tool that gives them all of the premium features that they can work with, they might want to consider looking at that. For environments, there are some nice environments for Unreal Engine users, which you can also come through and check out right here. Then we've got an iOS development bundle as well, which is also available. So whether you're thinking about building stuff, maybe learning things that has to do with Apple Intelligence, to Apple foundational models, how they work, down to mastering Swift UI and Swift data, you can find these ones right here. For Unreal Engine artists, we've got some nice environment packs as well, which includes the Uncharted Frontiers. Then we've got the Bigger Better bundle. This is actually one of the biggest and best bundles that you can get here, as this ships with 65 impressive items from the folks at Machine Gun Studio. High quality stuff. Come through, check this one out. If you're looking for more game stuff like game sounds, game environments, learning bundles, all of these are right here. So this is it for those who like to explore all of these, possibly like to learn or get any of these add-ons, plugins, environments, or even assets. Then links to all of this will be in the description, so do well to check this one out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.